48. Is God an insurance agent? I believe my insurance agent when he talks about insurance. He is competent, helpful, and accurate. But I do not believe in my insurance agent when he talks economics, religion, or almost any subject other than insurance. I can only shake my head with dismay at his departure from the faith of his fathers. Many church members treat God as an insurance agent. They believe him when he talks about heaven and hell, death and salvation, and other such things, but they do not believe in him. Moreover, they do not believe him when he talks about himself, his sovereignty, justice and predestination, his requirement of the death penalty, of faithfulness, and much more. They will calmly tell you that they are Bible-believing Christians, and that it is not necessary to believe in predestination and like things. In fact, earlier this year, when I was a guest invited to speak for 4 Sunday evening meetings at a church which prides itself on being true to the Bible, I was quote-unquote asked not to return after the second Sunday because I mentioned capital punishment favourably. We are under grace and love, I was told, not under law. Indeed, I said, we are dead to the law as a death penalty against us, a handwriting of ordinances indicting us. But it is we, the old man in us, who are dead, not the law. Jesus Christ declared, quote, "It is easier for heaven and earth to pass than one tittle of the law to fail." Luke 16:17. The mistake people make is to treat God like an insurance agent. I can pick and choose what I want from my agent. I cannot pick and choose with the Lord. I cannot buy life insurance or fire insurance from him. He will not sell it. Anyone who thinks he can pick and choose from what God has to offer, to believe or not to believe, does not believe in God. He simply believes God on certain insurance concerns and matters. He has confused insurance with grace and mercy with lawlessness. I only need my insurance agent when it suits me. All other times I want no part of him. I cannot deal so with God. I do not buy him or his protection. He has bought me with the price of his only begotten Son, and I am totally his. I cannot use him at my convenience, but he requires me to be used at his every word. He does not need to hear me, but in his grace he does. I must, however, hear and obey him, because it is I who am his agent, not he mine. To treat God as an insurance agent is to despise him and to deny him. The Lord can only be approached and known as God.